In this video, you'll learn how to use the Finder feature of Elementor. The Finder feature in Elementor is basically a popped-up search bar that can be used to navigate to many pages and settings on the site. To use the Finder feature, simply press Ctrl and E. This is the shortcut for the Finder. Now, you can search for any page or keyword over here. For example, let's search for a contact. You can see the results showing the contact page. Clicking over it will redirect you to the contact page. You can see the contact page here. But if you want to learn how to edit the pages in WordPress with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, you can also search for the Add keyword, and using it, you can add a new page template. You can add a new section, a post, etc. Now, for example, let's add a new post by clicking on the respective option. You can see you've been redirected to a new post page. Similarly, you can also search for menus. You can see the results showing the menu here. You can click on it and you'll get redirected to the same. You can also search for plugins. Selecting it will redirect us to the plugins page. And this is how easy it is to use the Finder feature in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.